Hey yo, welcome back. It's your boy Hezo, back again with another video. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. I know it's been a minute again since I last posted another video, but hey, as you can see, your boy back home. Not the cleanest yard, but your boy back home, finally back in Greenville, finally out of Florida. Had a good time and everything, enjoyed everybody, enjoyed living up there, living down there. You know, learned a whole bunch of new stuff that I got. But hey, it's time to get back on the grind. Time to get rid of some stuff, and as you can see, I got a new project to work on. Actually, I had this project for a good minute. I actually got this project before moving down to Florida. And then, like I told y'all before, it was a whole instantaneous thing, so I didn't get a chance to get to it. But after all that, before I get too in depth on the truck and everything like that, I'm gonna need everybody to like, comment, subscribe, all that extra stuff. Really help your boy out, you know. I'm trying to get up, do my own stuff. It's, you know what I mean. Simple stuff, but project. What we got here, let me show y'all. What we have here is a 1979 Ford Ranchero. And y'all probably wondering, what is a Ford Ranchero? To keep it in simple terms, it's Ford's competition to the Chevy Camaro that they have. And this is what Ford's putting out. This is what they got. So when I first got the truck, it ran, but it didn't run right. But I got it to run, got it to drive for a while before I came down to Florida. But the last thing that I had, the problem was the gas was no good. With me being impatient as I am, I got the truck. Didn't check the gas tank to see how well the gas tank was, because the gas tank is a metal gas tank and metal rusts after a while, and I didn't check that. So that was caused the problem, was caused the engine to get fucked up. But before that, I was able to get the gas tank and everything cleaned up, cleaned out. So never got a chance to figure it out after that. But now that we're back, we can finally get to doing that. So first thing I'm gonna do is replace this guy right here. And this guy is a starter solenoid, and it pretty much takes power from the battery and it then sends power to the starter motor at the bottom of the actual motor. So that gets it to turn over. And this guy started to go bad and it wasn't starting the truck, so now getting that fixed out and replaced. And the next thing after I figure that out is the alternator. As you can see here, alternator is not connected whatsoever. So the last person who worked on it did not connect the alternator right, and it never charged the battery. So I killed like 2-3 batteries, but I didn't pay attention to that. But now I did. Look at this guy right here. Yoda, what are you, Yoda? Hey Yoda, look up here. What are you doing under the truck? Such a lazy man. This is my favorite friend. His name's Yoda. He's just a lazy bum. Let's see if we can see him. What are you doing down there, big head? You gonna come out? Or you gonna stay down there? You like staying down there. Let's see if we can find our other friend. Where is he? Let's go find our other friend that we got roaming around here. Nutty, big head boy. Come here. Come here, big guy. Now here you come. Favorite bundle of joy around here. These two big head guys. Now that I got everything in and connected, I would have showed y'all how I did everything, but that would take too long because there's a whole bunch of connectors that were bad and everything else. So I just took the time to redo a little bit of wiring, get some new connectors on there, get everything ejected, but everything's fully connected. So now we're gonna see if we can get her to turn over. All right, don't mind the mess. And before I actually get further in and do a little bit of Febreze, spray some of that in here while I go get the keys, because if y'all could smell what it smells like in here, Jesus baloney Christ, it smells terrible in here. Battery's connected, this new starter solenoid is in. We're gonna check the alternator in a minute. All we're checking right now is just see if she turns over with the new battery and starter system. Alrighty, key is going in. Ooh, don't need that. You can see that. And we got a little bit of something. Let's see if we can get it again. Almost there. Just put a little bit more of our go-go spray inside of it. Let's spray a little bit of you, a little bit of you. Put a little bit in here. Let's see what we get. We getting something. Let's see if we could choke it. See if we can get something a little bit better than what we got. There's my choke cable. Where do you go? There we are. Get unplugged from everything. Just gonna peel you back. You can see the little choke thing, little flap thing. I'm gonna pull it. You should be able to see it go down. There we go. And let's. Are we getting somewhere?
Several days later.
This guy right here, this is called a voltage regulator. It wasn't pretty much charging my battery for me to get a good charge, and that's why I found out that my battery was dying. So after finding that out, after I redid all the connectors and made sure that it wasn't my alternator, got a new one. So we're gonna put that in and see if that makes a difference. And new starter solenoid, new voltage regulator, and new fuel pump. So now let's see if we're gonna get something. But before that, I got to grab multimeter, make sure that our battery is actually charging. So if your car battery dying, I'm gonna show you how to do it a little bit. Not too in depth, not too complicated. So you're gonna get you a multimeter, and then you're going to connect the, obviously, the black to the black. If I can get it on there. The black to the black. Come on. And then the red to the red. And we're gonna switch this guy right here. We're going to switch it to the little DCV with little lines and dash. All right, that number right here, that is how much voltage your battery has at the moment. And it should be roughly in between, like here, 12.6 and 13 volts. So when you're getting it to charge, it should be roughly around 14 or so. And we're gonna see if we get that. So running, and getting nothing. We started at 12.8, now we're down to 12.5. Give that some things, see if it changes. Alright, the problem that we had with charging, came to find out that the the speedometer has to be plugged in for it to run through the alternator fuse. So now that I got that plugged in, we actually have charging. So now I'm about to go on a little small test drive. All right, let's go ahead and close her up. And see what we got. Don't mind the mess, it's a little shitty in here. Alright, we got her in drive. Just try not to hit anything. Yet. I can't see it. Hey, brakes, no good. No bueno brakes. I got something dragging.